Roman Kepczyk, CPA, CITP, CGMA, consultant and thought leader. Tell me, what is the secret to surviving a busy tax season?
I think one thing we have to do is get away from all the busyness, and we need to pause to be able to accelerate our performance. And so one of the things that I was taught years ago from Sam Allred, one of my mentors, was what's called a secret mission. What that means is when you get to the point where you're bogged down and tied at your office, go on a secret mission. And what that means is picking up your tablet, your phone, getting up and rushing out of your office, going through the building, maybe going outside, around the parking lot and come back in. And that 2 to 5 minute pause, what happens is all of a sudden it gets you energized. And if you go with the mindset that it's a secret mission, people will wonder, what's Roman doing out there? And go out there. And we've even done that in committee meetings, like when you're inside of a boardroom and having a big discussion and you're caught and just like not going anywhere. We go on a secret mission, you do it for 2 to 5 minutes, and then you're refreshed, everyone's mind is reset, and you are ready to go once again.
Love that idea. Okay, aside from doing your best Tom Cruise, Ethan Hunt impression, what's one other piece of advice you have for everybody listening?
I think what happens, and I'm guilty of this too, is I slack off when I'm working really hard and under stress, and I eat garbage. I eat salty stuff, sweet stuff that's probably not good to me. I drink too much coffee. So one of the things that one of the CPFM members did was they started having edible arrangements delivered, in the late afternoon, so that when you start getting that, after lunch buzz before, the afternoon when you're dragging down, that fruit helps you get a good sugar boost. It also is very appealing to everyone and all that, so you'd rather have that than the candy bar. And it's just a positive step forward as far as changing our diet in the right way.
Love it. Well, here's to a fantastic 2026 tax season.